Here we are with yet another exciting information. The world's most powerful countries are also the ones that constantly dominate news headlines, preoccupy policymakers, and shape global economic patterns. Their foreign policies and military budgets are tracked religiously. Today we are going to discuss most powerful countries in the world power rankings. Number 5. United Kingdom. GDP of the country is $2.83 trillion. Population of the country is 66.8 million. The United Kingdom is a highly developed nation that extracts considerable international economic, political, scientific, and cultural influence. Located off the northwest corner of Europe, the country includes the island of Great Britain, which contains England, Scotland, and Wales. Number 4. Germany. GDP of the country is $3.86 trillion. Population of the country is 83.1 million. Germany, the most populous nation in the European Union, possesses one of the largest economies in the world and has seen its role in the international community grow steadily since reunification. Number 3. Russia. GDP of the country is $1.70 trillion. Population of the country is 144 million. The scale of Russia is difficult to imagine. It is the world's largest country by land mass, nearly twice as big as Canada. The world's second largest nation, and covers all of the Northern Asia and much of Eastern Europe. Number 2. China. GDP of the country is $14.3 trillion. Population 1.40 billion. Home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, China has been ruled by the Communist Party since 1949. When the nation was established as the People's Republic of China, the country is the world's most populous and is considered the second largest by land mass. Number 1. The United States of America. GDP of the country $21.4 trillion. Population 328 million. The United States of America is a North American nation that is the world's most dominant economic and military power. Its culture imprint spans the world, led in the large part by its popular culture expressed in music, movies, and television. In November 2020, the country elected Joe Biden as its 46th president, removing Donald Trump after one term. The country is still grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic and ensuring keep economic recession.